Ransomware is one of the scariest things that can happen to your business's IT. It's where your data is encrypted so you can't access it, and you must pay a huge ransom fee to get it back. Did you know that often hackers get access to your system up to 100 days before they launch their attack? That's what makes ransomware so difficult to reverse once an attack has started. They take their time to change your IT system and prevent your IT partner from fixing it. Here are 3 ways you can detect if hackers have already broken in. 1. Regularly check the software you have installed. If you notice new software you didn't download, it could be a sign you have an intruder. 2. Look for security software that's been disabled, or other settings that have been changed recently but not by you. And 3. Make sure your list of system administrators doesn't grow. Check it often to look for new or unusual admins. There are many more things you should check. Preventing ransomware is a specialised area, and we recommend you work closely with your IT partner to put in place regular checks. If you're looking for a partner, we're now taking on new clients. Give us a call.